Hello and welcome back to step-by-step-guitartuition.com. This is the fourth lesson in the Step 3 module, and in this lesson we'll be looking at some chord sequences using the chords that we looked at in Step 3 Lesson 1. If you remember, A minor, D minor and E minor. And in addition we'll combine them with the 5 major chords A, C, D, E and G that we've learnt so far. In this lesson we're going to play 7 different chord sequences, and you can find all 7 sequences in the notes that accompany this lesson. You can also find longer versions of the backing tracks to play along with on the step-by-step website. For the first sequence we're going to play 2 measures of A minor followed by 2 measures of E minor, and we'll play the sequence twice. So if you're ready with your fingers on the A minor chord, and after 4 we'll begin. 2, 3, 4. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, A minor, E minor, and then end on the A minor. Now let's try the second sequence, 2 measures of A minor followed by 2 measures of D minor, and the whole thing twice. So if you're ready on the A minor chord, I'm going to count 4 and in. 2, 3, 4. D minor. 2, 3, back to A minor. And D minor. And then end on the A minor. And for the third sequence, we'll play A minor, followed by E minor, A minor, and then D minor, and the whole thing twice. Okay, so after 4 again, if you're ready on the A minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, E minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, E minor, D minor, and end on the A minor. For the fourth sequence, we're going to include the G chord and the E chord. We'll start on A minor, and then we're going to play G and 2 bars of E, and the whole thing repeated. Okay, so here we go. After 4, starting on A minor. 2, 3, 4. G, E, and another bar on E, A minor, G, E, and end on the A minor. For the fifth sequence we're going to play G, E minor, A minor, and then we're going to introduce the C major chord. So that's G, E minor, A minor, and C. So if you get your fingers ready on the G chord, 4 beats and in. 2, 3, 4, G, E minor, A minor, C, G, E minor, A minor, and C, and then end on the G. For sequence 6 we're going to start on the D minor chord, then play G, and then C, and then A minor. So that's D minor, G, C, and then A minor. So if you get your fingers ready on the D minor chord, again 4 and in. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C, A minor, D minor, G, C, A minor, and finish on the D minor. Okay, this is the final sequence. For this one we're going to play E minor, A, D and G. Again, E minor, A major, D major and G. Again, if you're ready on the E minor chord, after 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. A, D, G, E minor, A, D and G, and then end on E minor. So that's the 7 chord sequences. Hopefully you can hear now that combining major and minor chords can result in lots of interesting sequences, and you should be aiming to be able to change between the different chords fluently and without losing your timing. Remember, you can find longer examples of those backing tracks to practice along to on the step-by-step website. Just see your lesson notes for details. So that's it for this lesson. In lesson 5 we'll be looking at improvising using blues and harmonic minor scales. So I'll see you then.